Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus is 1/10, 1/10. The decimal point shifter. 1/10 is the single most important fraction in our base 10 number system. It's the engine that makes standard form work and the move behind every conversion between percentage and decimals, and the easiest mental shortcut in the syllabus. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly why. Quick identity check. 1/10 is positive, 1/10 is rational. As a decimal, it's 0.1, which is clean, terminating. As a percentage, it's 10%, and 1/10 equals 10 to the minus 1. That last identity is the one to lock in, because it's the bridge between fractions, decimals, and standard form. 3 forms, 1 number. Multiples of 1/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, which is a half, 6/10, 7/10, 8, 9, and 10/10 equals 1. Multiples of 1/10 are just the simplest decimals going. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Every multiple of a tenth corresponds to a clean 1 digit after the point decimal. That's why they're so useful for mental arithmetic. Powers of 1/10. 1/10 to the 1 is 0.1. Squared is 0.01. That's 1/100. Cubed, 0.001. 1/1000. Each power adds another 0 before the 1. And here's the key identity. 1/10 to the n equals 10 to the minus n. That single rule is the engine powering negative indices, standard form, and every decimal place across the syllabus. The decimal point shifter. Multiplying by 10 shifts the decimal point 1 place to the right. Multiplying by 1/10, which is the same as dividing by 10, shifts it 1 place to the left. That's the entire mechanism. Standard form numbers like 4.6 times 10 to the minus 3 are just 4.6 with the decimal shifted 3 places to the left, which gives you 0.0046. One rule, infinite uses. Key relationships. 1/10 equals 0.1 equals 10% equals 10 to the minus 1. 1/10 plus 9/10 equals 1. 1/10 times 10 equals 1. 1/10 squared equals 1/100. And every decimal expansion is built from sums of 1/10 and its powers. 0.43 is 4/10 plus 3/100. That's place value in fractional form. Where 1/10 shows up in your exam, standard form, every standard form number is some a times 10 to the n, where a negative n means a small number built from 1/10 and its powers. Percentages, 10% is the easiest mental calculation. Significant figures and decimal places all pivot on powers of 10. And probability, 1 in 10 for a pick a random digit, and speed and time conversions involving decimals. Where 1/10 hides, every decimal, 0.7 is 7 times 1/10. 0.49 is 49 times 100th. Every standard form number, 4.6 times 10 to the minus 3 is 4.6 times 1/10 cubed. And every money calculation, 1 penny is 1/10 squared of a pound. Spot the power of 10, and you've spotted the structure. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.